Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is Eunoia. Let's discover what this fascinating word means. Eunoia means beautiful thinking, or a well-balanced and creative mind. It describes a state of positive, clear, and harmonious thinking. Fun fact, Eunoia is one of the shortest English words that contains all 5 vowels exactly once. Here's an example. Meditation and reading helped her cultivate a sense of eunoia in her daily life. This means she developed a peaceful, balanced, and positive way of thinking. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word eunoia? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!